When you purchase the Products module, you will be sent an Excel spreadsheet so we can import your products instead of having to input them manually into a module. Unfortunately, Microsoft Excel was giving me problems when I was trying to make this video, so I'm going to do this in Google Docs. However, the process is the same. It is absolutely necessary that you fill in the Products module as I describe. If you edit the spreadsheet in any way, it will impede our ability to import the file. The required fields are indicated with a mark in their upper right-hand corner. SKU, name, short description, and price are the only fields we absolutely have to have in order to import your products. SKU is the unique identifier for each product. It must be different for every product, and the customer will never see it. It can be a number, like the one from a UPC code. It can be a couple words that tell you what the product is. The only thing is that no two products can have the same SKU. Name is the name of the product. The URL field is to be used if you want your products to be on different pages. Take the last part of your URL for the page in question. For example, if your page URL looks like this, all we need is this. Remember that /. You do not have to fill this out, but it can make organizing a large amount of products easier. Short description is the summary of the product. Try to keep it under 100 words. Description is the full description of the product. You can make this as long or as short as you need. Price is what the user will pay for the item before shipping. Enter just the number. You don't need the $sign. Shipping price flat rate is only if you are going to use a flat rate shipping option and not UPS. If you decide to use flat rate, you don't have to fill out the weight field. Cost is the amount the product cost you to purchase it. Tax class needs to be whatever state your product will be shipped from. Weight is the weight of the product in pounds. This is used to perform UPS shipping calculations. Remember, if you are using a flat rate shipping method, you do not have to fill out this field. The final three fields are yes/no questions that work with the filtering options on the product module. Remember that 1 means yes and 0 means no. In stock is asking if the product is currently in stock. Featured is asking if the product is featured. You can set up a products module to show or exclude featured products. Hidden is asking if you want the product to not show quite yet. There is a second page to this Excel file that will associate any images you may have with your products. On Excel, you can get to the second spreadsheet by clicking on it on the lower left-hand corner. You don't have to fill this sheet out. Adding images later is easy, but if you already have them, you can add them now. However, the images must currently be in the Javelin Image Manager. SKU will be the product that is associated with the image. Path describes the relative path that leads to the image. This is why the image needs to be in Javelin currently. The path should always start with /uploads. For the rest of the path, you need to find your image through the Image Manager. After logging in, hover over the Upload button on the admin bar of the page and click Images. Navigate to your image, but don't click on it. Here at the top is the selected folder. More folders will be indicated with slashes in their names. Highlight the entire thing and copy it. Back at your spreadsheet, paste it after uploads. Then type a slash and your image name. When you're finished with your spreadsheet, remember to save it and upload it to Basecamp with a message telling us you're done. Remember, the required fields are SKU, name, short description, and price, and please do not alter the spreadsheet.